Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video on YouTube. Please subscribe my channel. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make or how to edit photos on your iPhone. So let's get started. In your photo album, choose a photo and then go on with the editing. Before applying the lighting, I always apply the filter first, so let's go on with the filter. You can change it from original to vivid, warm, vivid cold, dramatic warm, and dramatic cold, and any of these, but I always choose vivid. Let's go back to the lightning. The lightning, you can apply the auto or you can apply the manual, but I always choose to be manual. So move on to exposure. You can apply to a photo the way you want, and then the brilliance the same. You can apply to a photo, but I always choose 20. And the highlights, you can apply to a photo to the right or to the left. So let's apply it to the left now. And the shadow, you can apply it to photo to any side, to the right or to the left. To the contrast, I always make it 20 to my photo. And then the brightness, you can apply it to the right or to the left, but I will apply it to the left now. And the block point, I always make it 10 to the right, but you can apply the way you want. And saturation, I always apply 30 to the right, but you can apply it to your photo the way you want. And then moving on to the vibrance, I always apply it 30 to the right, but you can apply it to your photo the way you want. And the warmth, I always apply 30 to the left, but you can apply it to your photo the way you want. And then move on with the tint, I always apply 10, but you can apply anyway, any side. So I will just make it 10 now. The sharpness, you can apply it the way you want to your photo, but always choose to be 10. And the definition, you can apply it to your photo or any side, so always choose 20. And the noise reduction, you can apply it to your photo the way you want, but always choose to be 10. And then moving on to the last one, the vignette, you can apply it to the right or you can apply it to the left, but also apply it to the right, 50 to the right side. And then when you're done with the picture, then go on with the done. Let's see the before and after effect. That's how iPhones make your photos great like this. I will just move on with making 2 more photos, and will post the before and after effect at the end of this video. So you can apply the lightning and you can apply the filter to your photos and your iPhone like this, and then you can make it the way you want. I will just make 2 more photos, and I will post the before and after effect of these 2 photos at the end of this video. Watch the video till end. Thank you so much.